Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is in the United States to attend Quad Leaders Summit, addressed United Nations General Assembly held meeting with US Vice President Kamala Harris at the White House on Thursday, during which they decided to further cement the Indo-US strategic partnership. Kamala Harris suo motu referred to Pakistan's role in terrorism and asked the country to stop supporting terror groups.
Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi met with US Vice President Kamala Harris in Washington on Thursday as part of a three-day official visit to the US. During the meeting, Kamala Harris suo motu referred to Pakistan's role with regard to terrorism and agreed on the need to rein in and closely monitor Islamabad's support for terror groups, informed India's Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Shringla in a press briefing.
In that context, when the issue of terrorism came up, the Vice President suo motu referred to Pakistan's role in that regard. She said that there were terror groups that were working there. She asked Pakistan to take action so that these groups do not impact on US security and that of India.
The two leaders exchanged views on a number of issues, including the situation in Afghanistan, the coronavirus pandemic, tackling climate change, as well as the US and India's commitment towards the Indo-Pacific region. Prime Minister Modi, who is on his first visit abroad beyond the neighborhood since the COVID-19 pandemic outbreak to participate in Quad's Leaders Summit, addressed at the United Nations General Assembly, earlier met with his Australian counterpart Scott Morrison, Japanese Prime Minister Yoshihide Suga, and held meetings with 5 global CEOs for potential investment in India. His address at the UNGA on Saturday will focus on the pressing global challenges, including the COVID-19 pandemic, the need to combat terrorism, climate change, and other important issues.